Well, it's Monday morning and it's a bit wet today. It's been raining in the morning, but nothing too bad. And it is forecast to blow over. If you look over, you can see blue sky. So I'm just going to go for a little walk with Molly now. And then we'll move on to near Ullapool. So yeah, we'll see how it goes today. Still on the road, just stopped. So look here, this is the village of Gairloch by the side of the loch. Low cloud still, but it's definitely brightening up. So we'll continue along this road now for a bit longer till we stop at Gairloch. Well, I've actually stopped in the village of Gairloch as the weather's reasonable, and we're going to go for a little walk up over that way. It's a very pretty little place. Right off the beaten track. Yeah, I'm going to walk up this way. So very nice. As the dog can't get through the gate. I just walked up the hill past the school and I was just heading along this track and it's along the headland. Nice views of the sea. I think the rain's blowing through. It's a bit chilly, but that's okay. Certainly a cracking view up here. Walking along here, there's a cabin down through the trees there by the beach. It's certainly a nice isolated spot. And we'll carry on. Oh, there's a little bench here. Let's have a look. Sit down and have a look at the view. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, lovely quiet spot up here. You can go further round that headland over there, but I'm not going to. Perhaps I'm feeling lazy. Right, that's enough of that. I guess we should go back. As we'll wander back down into the village now and get back to the van and carry on. Just been through Gairloch and this is Benigg National Park. sunshine again, that's nice. Well, I've stopped at Gairloch harbour. I was thinking about staying the night, but I might move on. But anyway, it's a nice little spot, so I'm going to go for a walk and do a little explore, and then I'll make my mind up. Lots of boat trips from here by the look of it. Whale cruises, puffin cruises. Nothing's happening today though. We're going to go for a walk over that little hill there. I think there's a beach to the next side. Oh, I could buy myself a boat. Obviously a fishing community, because there's all the nets and ropes and things here. Somebody practicing the bagpipes. It's rather nice, they got these little seats all along the front there. They call it the situtery. But anyway, we're going up here. Oh, there's a nice view of the harbour at the top of the hill here. But we'll continue upwards. We're at the top of that hill now, and you can see the main town of Gairloch in the distance, and the beach is down below. Don't think I'll be going down because I'm going to go up to Firemore beach, so we'll get plenty of sand action there. But we'll just go along for a little bit further, see where this path takes us. There's a better view of the beach. Certainly a lovely one. But as I say, I'm going to go back to the van now and drive up to Firemore beach, stay there overnight. Driving across some pretty wild and wide open country now. Heading from Gairloch down to Pooleu and then up to Firemore beach. Still, the road's pretty good apart from the occasional pothole. So follow this road along the side of the loch now for 5 miles, and that'll get us there. Reach the park up. This is Firemore beach. Oh, there's a heron flying down there over the river. So I'll get settled and then go for a wander along the beach. It's the blue skies coming, which is lovely. Oh, Molly's already off. I almost think Molly remembers this place the way she's gone off. She certainly knows the way. Oh, she's just been round this big rock. Went round and came from me behind. Oh, she's having a wonderful time. Their favourite toy, seaweed.